Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll down to the about device section. Then here scroll a little bit more down, and now we can see here the Android version section of our Realme phone, and there in my case this is Android version, the Android 13. So, and when we keep tapping here on the Android 13 section, we can see and open the Easter egg of Android 13. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.